Divided by local politics, Pakistani Americans unite on Gaza. Washington Pakistani physicians who held their 4-day conventions in the United States capitals displayed rare unity by devoting 2 evenings to the Palestinian cause. However, differences emerge among them regarding Pakistani politics, particularly concerning Imran Khan and his continued incarceration. Despite these fissures, the vast majority of attendees appear to support the former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Congresswoman Rashida, a Palestinian American lawmaker, was the chief guest at the annual dinner on Thursday night. She presented awards and prizes and earned a standing ovation from the audience when she spoke about her effort to promote the Palestinian cause both within and outside the United States Congress. You too have problems, multiple problems, but Republicans have united in a bid to dislodge her. She stressed the importance of highlighting the plight of Palestinians, particularly those in Gaza, and acknowledged the role of Pakistani American community in promoting the cause. The choice is not between talking about Palestine or not talking about Palestine. It's about how to do it more effectively, she said. While she focused on the political and diplomatic aspects of the Palestinian issue, she used his popular humors to shed light on the matter. He told the physician about the numerous ways they could apply pressures, especially those who perform prostate exam. One of his jokes underscored how democracy presents Americans Muslim with multiple choice. For instance, this year they could choose between a president who allowed a genocide in Gaza and his opponent, who might be worse than the current incumbent. She also talked about an event in New Delhi where most of the speeches were in Hindi, and when he inquired about the content, he was told the speeches were about converting a mosque in a temple. He also shared with the audience his experience of filing out an Indian visa. Despite being Egyptian, he was asked whether his parents or grandparents were Pakistani. Wasim appeared to be immensely popular among young Americans Muslim, as evidenced by the large crowd that attended his show on both Friday and Saturday night. While the audience laughed and clapped at his joke, the convention's sessions on Pakistan highlighted the political frictions dividing the Pakistani community across America, whether to support or oppose Imran Khan. Pakistani physicians also seemed divided, and overwhelming numbers supports Imran Khan, but and other factions does not share their enthusiasm. Political aspirants took center stage on the first working day of APNA annual gatherings. Discussions ranged from religions and politics to poetry recitals, with Pakistani physicians in the United States expressing strong opinion on Mr. Imran Khan and their hopes for his future influence in Pakistan.